Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we're going to be opening up some 2019 Donruss. Let's start with this blaster box, see how it goes. I have so much Donruss I haven't opened yet, got to start opening it. Wish me luck guys, love the elite cards, some of my favorite stuff from Donruss. And we do have one of these special packs here. Let's see, what is that pack? 8 card bonus pack. Alright, let's start a ripping. My favorite thing to do, ripping cards. Alright, Nick Markakis. We have Johan Camargo, Charlie Blackmon, Ryan Yarborough, and this is 19 of 49. Nolan Arenado. Oh, just in case, I'm sure you have, like I always say, but just in case you haven't, here's the backs. Alcusa. That's, I believe, the nickname. Jesus Aguilar. Manny Machado. And Jeremy Jeffries. Julio Urias. Mike Trout. Love it. Can't go wrong with the Trout. Brandon Lau. Rookie card. Ji-Man Chow. Nice. Aaron Judge, Diamond Kings. Sweet. Luke Voigt. Gotta love it. Whit Merrifield. And Shane Bieber. Rowdy Tellez, rookie. Brian Anderson. Another Luke Voigt. Paul Goldschmidt. Poochie. Anyone guess who that is? Because I don't know, but that's his nickname. And that would be Ozzie Albies. I had no idea. Sweet. Justin Smoke, Diamond Kings. Rated rookie, Cedric Mullins. And Steven Strasburg. Brett Kennedy, rookie. Jack Flattery. Trevor Richards. Aaron Nola. Teoscar Hernandez. Justin Verlander. Corey Kluber. And a Blake Treinen. Grayson Grainer. Chris Davis. Daniel Palka. Garrett Hampson, rated rookie. That's not numbered. Is this the Stars and Stripes or Stars, whatever you want to call it? Blake Snell, Diamond King. Kluber, Corey Kluber. Miguel Sano. And a Luis Urias, rated rookie. These cards smell so nice. Smell the ink on them. Like they were printed an hour ago. Joey Votto. Sean Reed Foley. Rookie. Justin Verlander. Josh James, rookie. Mike Moustakas. Mick. Anyone guess who that is? Because I don't know. That is a Miles Mikolas. Adam Jones. Installing Marte. Carlos Carrasco. Nick Martini, rookie. Javier Baez. Ryan Baraki, rookie. Baruki. Adam Jones, Diamond King. Daniel Palka. Francisco Mejia. And Orion Yarborough. Jose Martinez. Framber Valdez, rookie. Hunter Pence. Bryce Wilson, rookie. Yadier Molina. Jose Barrios, Diamond Kings. Nice Kyle Tucker rated rookie. Love it. And Abdul Herrera. Odubel Herrera. Freddie Peralta. Matt Boyd. Matt Carpenter. Eric Hayes, rookie. Harrison Beta. Reese Hoskins. Chris Sale. And a Nicholas Castellanos. Last regular pack. Kevin Pillar. Tanner Rainey, rookie. Shohei Ohtani. Trevor Oaks. Jose Ramirez, Diamond Kings. Bryce Harper. David Wright. And Orion O'Hearn, rated rookie. Okay, let's see what we get out of this pack right here. No elite cards. That stinks. Carlos Correa, purple. Let's see if these bad boys are numbered, and they are not. But it's a Carlos Correa, purple. Edwin Diaz, purple. We have a Bryce Wilson, rookie. Hunter Pence. Carlos Correa, franchise futures. And Royce Lewis on the back. American Pride, Shea Langeliers, if I pronounced that right. Colgate National Team, pretty cool. All Rise, baby. An Aaron Judge card I didn't have. Sweet. Let's say that right. Sweet. There we go. That's for you, Reindeer Studios. Nice Aaron Judge. Love it. Nicknames, All Rise, and whatever you want to call this. Special Shine. I don't know what it's called, but it is a beauty. And a Sean Manaea. Pretty cool. Alright guys, that was a cool little break. Probably have a bunch of these sets with all the Donruss that I have. I didn't pull any elite cards, but that's okay. Alright guys, you guys have a great night. Until next time.